how to log into a Discord bot. So if you want to log into a Discord bot, then what you need to do is go with the link in the description and it will take you to this kind of interface. Go with new application, which is on the right side. Now enter the name. Like for example, I'll just simply go with demo and then click on this and then go with create. Confirm if you're a human. Click on that and verify. And it will take you to this developer section. And once you're here on the left side, you will have the bot. You need to click on bot. Now here you need to scroll down and then go with reset token and then go with yes, do it. And you will find the multi-factor authentication. You need to enter your password. After that, go with submit. Now you need to go and copy the token right here. After that, go with a new tab and go with the second link, which is in the description. It will take you to the GitHub page. Scroll down and download the file for your software. I'll go with Windows. When it's finished, open it and then extract that. Go with downloads, which is right here, and then just right click, go with extract. Once you've extracted, open the folder. And once you open the folder, you will find the livebot.exe. You need to click on it. After that, click on more info section and then click on run anyway. It's not a virus, it's just too expensive for the developers to verify the app. You need to click on run anyway. Now enter the token we copied earlier, right here, once the live bot opens. After that, go with login and save as default. Now once all done, you need to click on your account and test it. You can go with test, which will be on the left side, and test the bot. If the bot has no servers, you can add one. In this way, you'll be able to log into a Discord bot, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.